Okay guys, so we are here at South Cotabato in Polomolok. This is one of the, I think, a garden farm resort or something. And it's, let me see, 20th of this January. And this is like my first vacation leave in like the last 2 years. The last time I was here in South Cotabato was like in 2019. And I was supposed to come back here in December so I can do like a part 2. So this is actually the most awaited part 2 ever. So yeah, my name is Paolo Martin. I'm the Alabang blogger. Thanks for watching. And this will be a series of videos and vlogs of me here at South Cotabato, island of Mindanao, here in southern Philippines. Do like and subscribe, and yeah, do enjoy the videos. And it's so pretty here. Look at that. Little secret, I actually did want to leave Decathlon many times to go back to General Santos City to start a little farm garden business here, but it's never been really realized because of all the challenges of you need capital, to buy all these plants, and plants are expensive. But the good thing about having vacations like these, it makes you realize that yeah, dreams do come true, because this is like a rugged terrain and it's a real challenge. But for architects, I'm sure this, for landscape architects, this is a really nice place to go at. Behind me is a mountain, and not Matutum, and well, it just reminds me of Africa. Look, there's a dog that be like going around. And vacation leaves like this, yeah, makes you realize how beautiful Region 12 really is. Okay, let's go ahead and eat dinner. So cold. Look, there's a cat that is playing volleyball with the rat. I'm trying to get close because it's really funny. Oh, the cat spotted me, so he probably won't play with a rat anymore. But here you go. Oh, there you go, there you go, there you go. Oh, oh, oh. I want to go in closer. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, that's it. That's it really. I think the cat's still playing with it. Try and see where he goes. He's been torturing that mouse for like the whole hour or two that we've been here. Where is he? Ah, there he is. Oh, isn't he cute? Little torturer. Pushikat.
Previously at the Alabang blogger.
My god, I love the way they did this. Look at the layering of those plants. Ah. Okay, let's check out my parents. It's a little not so PWD friendly, but what do you expect? It's a mountainside.
Nice, oh.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
picture.
Yeah, that's nice. Definitely wake up early in the morning just for this.
Yeah, when you wake up early in the morning, the sun's over there.
Oh, really? Great. That looks like Africa. It really reminds me of Africa. So, yeah, these are new structures. Alright, I'll take a photo. Yeah, give me a few seconds. Yeah, we'll just go pilot. So it's at twilight.
ba yung sa akin background noon, maroon?
Ah, it's so fresh. Yep, yep. Yeah, the air here is really fresh. Crazy. Alright, so it's starting to be really dark, so let's see how this looks like in the night. In between the scenes with the album blogger. It's like a big Christmas parol. Quite nice. Camp out. Oh, look, my mom's climbing up a bamboo.
Video.
Yeah.
Oh, Philippines.
Mm-hmm. So yeah. Unfortunately, there's music with a copyright there. So I'm hoping to like block out. Go there. And just go. So it's really high up. Yeah.
Naku, mataas.
Oh. I'll take a video then.
Ay, gonna fall, oh.
Alright, just to give a perspective of how tall this part is. And there's like a ravine down there. There's the resort at night. I thought she was gonna help you go down and give us help.
Kala mo? Wala ba ito arthritis?
Okay.
Ang sarap po.
Camouflage ka man. Kakulay mo yung libot.
Ulit, oy.
No, looks like she's part of the trees or the bamboo.
Pangit.
This is so nice.
Ulit po.
Oh God. Hey, whose bag is this? Is it...
Oy, get this picture.
Alright, well, I'll take a photo. Wait on.
They have this at Sarangan.
Welcome back to the album blogger.
Alright, we're still waiting for the food, so I'm just gonna climb up here. And change into a jacket and slippers with long pants. This is so fun, you guys, look. So scary. I'm really like that far off. Yeah. And here we are on the treetop. Not really, but it's a really envious looking roof, attic, terrace type of thing. And stilts and bamboo. You really see it like far off. There you go. And the restaurant's on that side. And the one tip I can give you guys for the ones who are visiting MatBlooms, if you want to have really good signal, you go up here so you can upload photos using your data because there's no signal up here. My goodness. And this is the view. That sound of the crickets and dogs is the thing that you kind of do miss when you're in the city. And here, I'll shoot. Here, it's probably better if you see the view. So it makes more sense. There you go. Yeah, it's stuff that you don't get, you know, we're in Metro Manila, unless you go to the province of Cavite, Batangas or something. But that sound, you know, it's really quite nice. It's very relaxing. Sulit. This place is really, you know, I think it's like 2,500 or 2,800 per night to stay here. But yeah, literally you can enjoy it. It's just that, you know, you have dogs barking, you have people playing loud music sometimes, and unfortunately the window doesn't have a mosquito net, and that's the review. It doesn't have windows to keep out the insects, and number two, well, it's for fresh air, but it's more like for soundproofing. So, you know, it's not like it's something that you have to compromise with, which is not bad. But for the light sleepers like me, not so bad. Not so good. But yeah, this is beautiful. I love this place. Definitely like to bring my friends from Manila or Morgan and Lucky or Max here, especially from the guys who actually don't know. The one reason why I keep bringing that up, because I don't think a lot of people know places like these exist here in Region 12, especially for the ones who are more adventure heavy. But for the ones who are like glamping, yeah, definitely you guys can stay here. 5 points for the garden because it's quite difficult. I keep moving around, but you know, I'm just at the edge of the bamboo. I'll just stay here for a bit. Look at the roof. Okay, food's ready, so I'm just gonna head back because mom is like clapping for me to come over. Alright, like and subscribe. Thanks you guys for watching the Album Blogger here at MatBlooms. Thank you. Oh, I better stop recording. This is copyright music.